on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed.
To it. So we can see that when when he is taking his hand near to this device, that LED is glowing because this is infrared sensing device. It can sense heat from our body. Very nice. So can you tell me your name?
My name is Mawphlang. I study in class 18.
Very nice. And your name?
My name is Adrian and I study in class 18.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now you can take it to your own table. Thank you so much.
Life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. Oh, I got lost on a winding road in the dark of night with the stars aglow.
If there is no object,
Heaven's
different color will go up. The moment there is object in front of it, different color will go. Okay.
as I head to you like the river flows.
That first big is
Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me.
This is called reverse parking.
Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been
There is
chasing
ball behind
the
it.
feelings
It
I
will
need.
be
It's
more,
in
right?
these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all
If there is no
I
object,
know is
different color
coming
will go up.
into
The moment there is
focus,
object in front of it,
and now I
different color will go. Okay.
see. It's in these moments.
And that first big is only
It's in these moments. It's in these moments.
Grab the to GNV. Just below 5 from Next. If you see in the smart card nowadays or modern card, you see that one that is ultrasound. Similar with IR, the same sensor only, na? The same with IR sensor and ultrasound combined. We have a unique application about the smart card system. Right, okay. Ultrasound also basically. See, there are three pins here. One is BCC, one is ground, one is all right. You see? Look behind, look behind. Look behind. Anyone? You see? There are BCC. Now take this breadboard. Only told you about the connection. This is pulling the this again. See ABCD 1 and 3. It is not rotated like this. Don't rotate it. Rotate it like this in such a way that you can do A B C D E F G S I P. And then after 30 cm, now your scale is this much big on me, na? This distance 30 cm. The moment I move forward, it will be 17 cm. See, you have one scale 30 cm, na? See, this much big. And then the moment you put your hand, same I already told you in application in water tank sensor. Water tank detect male jumper. This is called male to male. Now take 3 male to male jumper. 3 male to male jumper. Male to male jumper. Male to male jumper. Done, na? Insert it all 3 in the same line as that VCC, ground and out. See? See? Connect it all the same. VCC, ground.